Hey guys, doing Weston here. Today in this video, it's going to be my thoughts and opinions on what is happening with the cryptocurrency Luna and what does this mean for the rest of the crypto market. So just 2 weeks ago, I gave my thoughts and opinions on the overall crypto market of the top 100, and I warned that it didn't look too good for the cryptos, and I was bearish. Now, I got a lot of negative comments saying that, I'm just a doomsdayer and all of that, but that's not my intention. My intention is I just wanted to share my thoughts and opinions because I was really worried. I could see a lot of people, they had too much money invested in the cryptos, especially some of these really high risk altcoins, and they can lose pretty much all of it. So to give you the backstory of the cryptocurrency Luna, it has been one of the biggest winners out of the last bull run with the crypto markets. It actually entered into the top 10 crypto coins. So let's jump onto the screen now and let's see what's happening. So based on that last video, the crypto top 100 that I did, as of that day, like Bitcoin was number one, Ethereum two, three, four, five, six, seventh. So Luna was the seventh largest cryptocurrency just back in April. And now if we jump onto coinmarketcap.com, then we can scroll down and find where Luna is today. And there it is right there. It's 42nd. So it's out of the top 40 cryptocurrencies. Now, here's my chart of Luna. As you can see, like it's just fallen off a cliff. It went from, what was this? The high was like $120 and it fell all the way to 70 cents. There's been a bit of a bounce just now from 70 to $1.40. You've got to be really careful for the people that are buying in here. It's extremely, extremely risky. And just because it's bouncing, like the saying is, you don't want to try and catch a falling knife. Just because it's bouncing, that doesn't mean anything. It can still go even lower. Now, with my chart, it's pretty much useless. All this technical analysis, these two lines here, they're pointless at this stage. So I'm just going to delete them. I'm going to turn off all the moving averages as well. That doesn't really matter. Like this chart is pretty wrecked. And as we can see, this big sell-off on Luna, which is down 92% today, it is leading to a lot of red with the rest of the crypto market. So like, look at all this stuff. Most of it is double-digit losses, like 32%, 18, 16, 3. That's small, Is there any greens at all? This one's green, but pretty much everything is looking like it's going down. So the reason why I wanted to make this video so quickly is because this has actually made me more bearish than I was in the past with my last video. The reason why I'm more bearish is because we need to understand the economics of what is actually happening right now. So Luna was like one of the golden childs of crypto. Everybody had exposure to Luna. It had drawn everybody in. And even myself, I had small little trades on Luna too. And now that you have this massive, massive loss, it's going to instill fear in the cryptocurrency investors because now they're all going to start thinking like, oh shit, if this can happen to Luna, can it potentially happen to my coin? And now think about all the money that was made with Luna and all of that now just vanished. It's all completely gone. If you were in that scenario holding a whole heap of Luna, like what is the rational thing to do? Because now you are fearful, you'll probably want to lock in some of the gains if you're still lucky enough to have gains in the other cryptos. And if you're locking in, what is that? That is a sell order. So most likely more selling pressure is to come. So overall now I'm just extremely bearish on the cryptocurrency market. We were saying in the last video about crypto that the strongest coin that we could find was ApeCoin. Let's go check it out. So here with ApeCoin, when I made the video, it was breaking out to all-time highs. It was looking still pretty damn good, but now it's lost all levels of support. So even this coin, which was the strongest, is now breaking down lower. So this is not a good sign for crypto. Honestly, out of the top 100, I can't find anything that I'm bullish on. If you'd like to learn more about what is actually happening with Luna and the backstory, then I recommend going over to the YouTube channel CoffeeZilla. I'll link the video below and they explain what is actually happening with Luna as we speak. And before we go, please do remember, I understand this is a very painful time in the crypto markets. I've been there before myself. Check out my last video where I explained I lost $1.5 million investing in crypto in the past. So my goal and intention is not to be this doomsday guy. I just want to be out there to help people learn, get more experience, and understand the risks involved in cryptocurrency investing. And the last thing I want is to see people go through the same amount of pain that I've been through. As a quick tip, what we recommend at Hardcore Headstart, which is an investment education company, is to never ever invest more than 10% of your net worth in cryptocurrency, especially if you're new to this stuff and you have no experience trading the markets. It's extremely risky. And as I said before, I've been in this scenario before, seeing cryptocurrencies drop like crazy. So if you need someone to talk to, my DMs are always open. All right, guys, that wraps up today's video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and get ready for next week's video. I'll be talking about if you're new to investing and you want to learn more, where should you actually begin?